terms only, first and second, and in these two terms the sign is minus, not plus. It is the third algebraic identity. We will write x plus y, x minus y is equal to x whole square minus y whole square, and when x whole square minus y whole square is given, you have to write x plus y and x minus y. It means if left hand side is given, you can write right hand side. If right hand side given, you have to write left hand side. Now example, how to make factors of 64x square minus 81y square. First of all, you have to look, these are two terms and the sign between two terms is negative. Then you will use this algebraic identity and you will make the factors of x whole square minus y whole square. Now first of write these two terms in the form of this. We will write 64 is the square of 8 and x square is the square of x. We will write 64x square is 8x whole square minus, we will write 81 is the square of 9 and y square is the square of y. We will write 9y whole square. Now a whole square minus b whole square, or first whole square minus second whole square. You have to write 8x plus 9y or 8x minus 9y. These are the factors of 8x whole square minus 9y whole square. These are the factors. Second example, x cube y cube minus 49xy. Now these are also two terms and the sign between two terms is negative. We will make, it is the whole square of the first and it is the whole square of second, but x cube is not the square of any number. It is the whole cube of x. It is also whole cube of y. It is not the square of any number x and it is not the whole square of y. So we will take HCF. HCF will be xy. Now first factor is the HCF. We will write first factor xy. Now we will divide 25x cube y cube with xy. It will be 25. Power will be minus 3 minus 1. It means x square. Base is same. When we divide y cube with y, it is y 3 minus 1. It is y raised to power 2. Now sign minus, second term divide by xy. So xy cut with xy, only 49 left. We will write first factor. Now we will make 25 is the square of 5, x square is the square of x, y square is the square of y. We will write 25 x square y square is 5xy whole square. When you write, then check it, the square of this, it is yes or not. 5 square is 25, x is x square, y is y square. Now it is right. Minus, we will write 7 whole square. factors of first whole square minus second whole square, it is first plus second and first minus second. We will write 5xy is the first, plus second is 7. 5x plus 7 and 5xy minus 7. Next example. A square minus b minus c square. In the statement, there is also two terms, first term and it is second term. Second term is binomial. No expand a minus b whole square equal to a whole square plus b whole square minus 2b. You have to factorize. We will write a square is a whole square and second is the same, it is the whole square of second. You can write, let x is a and y is b minus c. X is here a and y is b minus c. What are the factors of x whole square minus y whole square is x plus y, x minus y. Now you have to write what are the factors of a whole square minus b minus c whole square. It is the first, it is the second. You can write a plus. What is the second? It is binomial, you have to write in bracket. It is the first factor. A, x is a. Here it is plus, it is also plus. What is b? Y is b minus c. So you have to write x plus y, it means first plus second. And second factor, first minus second. You have to write the second in bracket. First plus second, first minus second. If second is binomial, you have to write in bracket. Now solve it. A plus. It is plus sign. You can write as this. A plus B minus C. Now A, it is negative sign. B will be negative and C will be positive. So these are two factors of this statement. Now we will factorize a whole square plus b whole square plus c whole square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. It is the fourth identity having 6 terms. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth having 6 terms. And factors of a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a plus b plus c and a plus b plus c. You have to write down 2 times. Now statement is this: x square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 4xy plus 12yz minus 6zx. In the identity no minus sign, but in the question here is minus sign and here is also minus sign. So we will make one term negative. Here it is plus sign. It means y is positive, z is also positive. We have to make x negative. It is positive sign. Y and z will be positive, and we have to make x negative. It means first term will be negative. How will we write? It is the first. We will write negative sign in bracket. When we solve it, minus square is also plus. Solution of minus x whole square, it is x square. Then we have to write x square is minus x whole square plus. It is the second 2y whole square. It is the third 3z whole square. It is the first, it is the second, it is the third. Plus 2 multiplied by first, you have to write in bracket, multiplied by second. When we solve it, it is negative 4xy. When we multiply these three, answer will be negative because negative sign one time. So we have to write minus 4xy in the form of identity plus 2ab. We have to write out down here plus 2 multiplied by first multiplied by second. Plus 2 multiplied by second. What is the second? 2y. And what is the third? 3z. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12yz. It means we have write 12yz in the form of identity. Plus 2 multiply by third and multiply by first. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term and sixth term. Now 6 terms is equal to this. We will write right hand side minus x, you can put big bracket, minus x plus 2y plus 3z whole square. And factors of a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. So we have to write down 2 times. First factor is minus x plus 2y plus 3z. And second factor is also minus x plus 2y plus 3z. I hope this question will be clear to you. Thank you.